what's up. You know what time it is. Another video dropping. Told y'all we weren't gonna wait too long. And y'all already know we at the wonderful Home Depot. So before we even start this video, let me let y'all know something. Menards, terrible. They terrible, bro. The one...
Do not collect 200. Get out your tomatoes and throw them at them. Boo, boo, boo. They suck so bad.
We waited a whole month, a whole 2 months for cabbage.
Our order was a whole month late.
Terrible, terrible. And the one, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen so y'all can see the location not to go to, bro. Store horrible, bro. No, you can't say that.
Tiffany, well, not cartoon.
You can't say F no way.
And Kalen's.
Bro.
Right, because he told us it is what
I can't even be able to post it.
Yeah, gang. We at Home Depot. Y'all gonna do.
Alright, anyway, y'all. Yeah, it's just not right, bro. The experience there was terrible, bro. And the store manager, little racist, his name Ryan. Go to, please, y'all, please, I'm begging y'all. Go do a review for us.
Off your camera?
Probably not.
You did. That's why
go. Hey, go do a review for us. I mean, for us, please. Home Depot, the one off, where is it? South Hanley in St. Louis, bro. Please do a review. Get them a bad review. Get them 1 star, bro. I wish if we could give them no stars, definitely get them no stars, but we can't. Just give them 1 star, man, please. Y'all ain't even gotta write no comment, but if y'all do, let them know, man. They store manager.
Leave a comment and say Mitch and Kaylin need to be fired and Ryan.
Yeah, they did us wrong, y'all. The person before us, they gave them all their money back, gave them a deal on stuff. You know, let them keep their material. We waited way longer than we waited 2 months, and they didn't want to do nothing for us, bro. It was terrible, bro. It was terrible customer service. Been delaying our videos.
This happened all the time because when you look at the reviews, multiple people have had this issue as well.
Terrible. But enough about them. Let's focus on
But it's not in their policy, so they don't care if your stuff is late. They won't do nothing about it. And then they'll tell you what they can and can't do when other people saying something different.
But enough about them. Enough about them. Let's focus on the true people that been real good to us, y'all. Y'all see where we at. Obviously we at. Hold on. This is the store y'all need to hit up right here. Home Depot. Never treated us bad at all. Menards out the question. Menards horrible. So today we finna try to see if we can get backsplash for the kitchen. I gotta show y'all the kitchen. We finished the kitchen. We need backsplash, trimming. We already picked out the trimming though. Last time.
Yeah, we don't know what's coming.
We could not find the towel. We needed at Home Depot, and we are at our second favorite store, which is Home Decor. Really cool tower. YouTube, we back at the crib. Y'all did not get to see the countertops, so I'm gonna show you in 1, 2. Done. That way, the house can pretty much be ready to move in. On this wall, what we're doing right here, we're gonna put like a countertop right here. And under it, I would like to put some type of material that kind of floats up this wall and floats as the back wood. I think that would be
Final notice in the mail, they cutting off the gas. Boiling water every night just to wash my ass. Got tired of seeing mama struggle down to her last. So I got up off my ass and went and got a bag. Them long nights in the streets turned me to a man. I made 100 off a dope and flipped it to a grand. I came from standing on the corner holding out my hand. Until you came where I'm from, you wouldn't understand. Where everybody hating on you in your own city. All the young niggas straight.
This junk, guys. We still in the midst of working. But yeah, man, we pretty much like how it came out. Drop a comment below to let us know how y'all like it. So now we're gonna start to install these. We could pick this out. Look at this, pretty cool thing. So yeah, here we go. keep going.
Fuck the cops, we lost Kashan in a high speed. 4 years ago, 2016 on Halloween. Mozzarella in the cheddar, shiny wanted cheese. City cold, so I keep a jacket for the breeze. Fuck a coat like a boogie, I just wanna fleece. Got 24 karat gold shining on my teeth. My niggas jumped off the porch like some fucking fleas. I keep the 40 quick to pop a nigga like some grease. It's kids dying every day, nobody at the scene. They mamas crying every day, wish it was all a dream. These niggas lying to my face, say they for the team. I keep morale on my waist, I lit a scene. Niggas tried to fuck me over since I was a shorty. Number hate in my city, so I told the 40. Red beam on the block, but I'm not recording. Feel like Nip, not a crip, but I got my Lauren. You're full of old schools, but I push the foreign. And the colors down, stay pedal to the flooring. 800 for the Gucci's, you can keep the Jordans. Ace Boogie, cause you know I like my bitches boring. Final notice in the mail, they cutting off the gas. Boiling water every night just to wash my ass. Got tired of seeing mama struggle down to her last. So I got up on my ass and went and got a bag. Them long nights in the streets turned me to a man. I made 100 off a dub and flipped it to a grand. I came from standing on the corner holding on my hand. Until you came where I'm from, you wouldn't understand.
Alright, y'all. So the night has come to an end. Me and Mika said we calling it quits for today. Y'all see where we got at? Let's take a minute to look at this. And I know you guys really didn't get to see our countertops. These are the countertops that Menard totally screwed us on. But it's alright. We getting it together, y'all. So, yep. This was just a little short video. This was actually a short video. Yeah, I just wanted y'all like to see where we at. Try to upload as much as I possibly can. Tomorrow when we get in, we're gonna finish the backsplash. I was thinking about painting this too. Tomorrow, like painting this. And then we are going to do something about our doors, right? Yeah, so just stay tuned, man. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and push that subscribe button. We live, we turn. We got another project that's gonna be litter, like, bro. No cap, we not slowing down, like, especially like next year. Like, bro, we really finna turn things up. So just stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. If, like I said, if you haven't already, go ahead and push that red subscribe button and get in tune. Peace.